Hi, I'm Mikey Bustamante from Boca Bearing. I'm here today to show you how to change your hub bearings in either your 8T 2.0 or your 8B 2.0. As you can see, I already have my car taken apart. I'm getting ready for the 2011 Fuel Off-Road Nationals. I'm going to do the rear hub on this car. The tools you're going to need are a 5/64 wrench, a 1/4 inch nut driver, and then you can either use a 17mm wrench or your wheel. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take off the camber linkage using your 5/64 and 1/4 inch. Once you have that taken off, the next thing you're going to want to do is take the hex off so you can get to the bearings. I'm going to use the wheel, it's a little bit more convenient. You'll just loosen up this set screw. You don't have to loosen it up all the way, you don't want to lose it, but you just want to loosen it up just enough so you can push that pin out. Once you push the pin out, the next thing you're going to want to do is remove the drive shaft. All it takes is a little pop and it'll come right out. After that, I like to take out the front bearing first. You'll take your 1/4 inch nut driver and come in from the back and you're just going to pop it out. You might have to apply a little bit of pressure or tap it, but it should come right out. I use the aluminum hubs and they tend to slide in and out a little bit easier. You'll do the same thing with the rear bearing. If you struggle on getting the rear bearing out, you may have to hit it from several different angles and it should come right out. Once you have the old bearings out, you'll take your new bearings, slide them in, make sure they go in nice and easy and they're in straight. After you have them back in, you're going to take your axle and you're going to put your axle back in there. Once you have your axle on, go ahead and put that hex back on and take the pin. Just line it up with the hole, it'll slide right through. That's when you'll take your wheel once again. I would recommend taking that set screw all the way out and putting some Loctite on it. This way you don't have to worry about it backing off. Once you have that tight, you can take your wheel back off. Then make sure your drive line goes into your outdrive, and the last part's just going to be putting that camber linkage back on. And that's it. Once again, I'm Mikey Bustamante from Boca Bearing, showing you guys how to change your hub bearings in either your 8T 2.0 or your 8B 2.0. Thanks.